Keep close.
We will, Dad.
Don't worry, Dad.
Time for breakfast.
Thank you.
Careful, Noah.
It's okay. We'll be all right. Just stay close to me. That's it. It's almost over now.
Welcome, we're so glad you're here.
It's our pleasure, Michael. We're ready to get started.
Wow, look at the big trucks. The storm compromised the main beam here. We need to shore this up immediately. I've got the wall movement recorded. It's worse than we thought. All right, the front door measures 20 meters. Copy that. Moving to the side. Whoa, look at the big numbers.
The porch connects here. We'll need a stronger beam there.
Excellent, thank you.
Yes, that's perfect.
All right, over here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Careful with that edge. Nice throw. Grab another. Looks good. Let's stack these here. Keep it steady. Watch that beam. Copy that. Moving the debris now. Watch your distance, kids. Safe zone only. Keep stacking those planks. We're almost done with this pile. Looks great over here.
Keep the rebar tied tight. Confirmed measurement, 5 inches off the guide. Pouring now. Make sure to vibrate the concrete well.
Look at it go, kids.
They are working so fast.
It's coming along perfectly. No more worries now. Moving them into place faster. Keep those panels level. They're looking good. We'll be enclosed by the afternoon.
Congratulations, it looks perfect. Thank you so much, it's been a pleasure.
All right, wiring is secure. Switch boxes are in.
Let's test the circuit.
Power is good to go.
Looks perfect. Excellent work, guys.
Great work, fellas. This looks perfect.
Thanks, boss. We double-checked every stud.
Now, let's seal it up.
Keep going, you're doing great.
Almost done, just a few more pieces. Wow, it looks amazing.
Look at it. Wow.
It's so beautiful.
Wow, look at that.
It's so bright.
I like it. Looks good. Airflow is optimal. Excellent. It's working perfectly. All right, let's turn it up. Fans on. Enjoy. Keep it moving. Set the forms. Watch the pour. Nice and smooth.
Welcome home, guys. Wow, look at this. It's perfect.
Wow, look at our beautiful new dining room. It's perfect. Can we eat now?
The windows open smoothly.
Airflow is excellent. This electrical panel is perfect.
Congratulations, the house is approved. All right, everything looks perfect.
Ready to go.
Let's do this. Almost there.
I wonder what it's like inside. Look, horses! I see the house.
I can't believe this. I can feel the change in the air.
Just a little further. You're almost there.
Hurry up, Dad. I'm so excited.
Oh, wow.
Look at it.
It's perfect.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You don't have to do this alone. It's gonna be okay. I miss her.
All right, everyone, here it is.
Wow! It's so beautiful! Look at this!
Welcome home.
I can't believe it.
Thank you, Dad.
This is beautiful.
I can't believe it. This is everything.
Thank you all so much.
Wow, look at this.
My bed is amazing! Thank you, thank you, thank you, Dad!
I'm so proud of you all.
I never thought this was possible.
It's all thanks to everyone.
I can't thank you enough.
I'm so thankful we can finally be here together.
Me too.
This is the best.
Welcome, everyone. This means so much to us.
Congratulations, Michael.
We brought you this. Thank you so much. We're so glad you're here.
Congratulations, Michael. The place looks great. Thank you, everyone. We couldn't have done it without you. Let's hear it for the restoration team. Everyone, applause and cheers.
Come on, you can catch it. Look at the kite go.
Watch out for the ball!
Nice catch.
You know, looking back now, it's just incredible how far we've come. I mean, the challenges were there, yes.
Yeah.
But the journey itself, that's where the magic really happened.
It was really difficult back then. We barely had a roof.
I can't believe this is the same place.
How did you do it?
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Dad.
Morning.
Thank you all so much. It looks amazing. Couldn't have done it without you.
Good morning, everyone. Morning, Michael. The flowers look great. Almost done here.
Yeah.
Watch out for the butterfly, Noah.
Thanks.
Just finishing up. Need a hand?
I feel so good helping here. We've brought this whole community back together. It's amazing what we can achieve when we work together.
Welcome, Michael. It looks incredible.
Thank you all so much. It's beautiful. We're so happy for you and the kids.
Let's take a picture together. You guys really outdid yourselves.
We're so glad you love it.
Look at my room. It's perfect. And that's how we transform this old place. Look at the smile on their faces.
It's incredible.
Remember that? Yes, you were right there. Together we built this, and together we hope.
Thank you, Michael.
Hooray!
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you all so much. We'll see you next time. Safe travels.
Smells delicious.
Here are the plates.
Looks like a beautiful day. You see, son, caring for a tree like this is like nurturing a dream.
Yeah.
The water, the sun, your patience.
Look what I did today. That's beautiful. We're all done now. Great job, everyone.
Welcome back, friends. We're so glad you're here. It's good to be home. Let's catch up on the porch.